Hi everyone, this is Danesh here and we're at Jumbo World. Today we're checking out the Oppo Reno 5 Pro 5G, an all-new smartphone with a whole load of specifications that I want to show you. So let's jump right in. So as soon as we get our hands on the box, the first thing you see is this with the data sheets and a nice little TPU case, right? Really nice. I like the fact that brands are adding these cases in the box because that gives you some time to understand whether you'd be a person with who'd use a case or not. Phone, we'll come back to that in just a second. But here's the coolest thing about this phone, or rather one of the coolest things about what's inside the box. This is the SuperVOOC 2.0 65-watt charger. That basically means you're getting your full charge in less than 35 minutes. I have used this. It is amazing. So do not underestimate the power of this charger, and it's in the box. Look at this. This is a shimmering black, which looks really nice, to be honest. I love such backs where the color kind of, has a gradient to it. But what's most important here is no fingerprints, and I love that. I love that. Now, the first thing you notice as soon as you get your hands on this phone and switch it on is this beautiful 6.55-inch 90 Hz AMOLED Full HD Plus display. I really like it. It's got a peak brightness of 1100 nits. The high refresh rate really works for it. It feels nice in the hand, and most importantly, because of the way the phone is built and because of how slim it is, it seems quite easy to use. The next thing you're going to notice is ColorOS 11.1. Over the years, I have really appreciated what Oppo has done with ColorOS. It has made the phone much easier to use, lesser bloatware, and just such easy settings and gestures that make the overall phone experience a really nice one. Now inside the phone, we've got the Qualcomm Snapdragon 865, 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage. This is available also in an 8 GB variant, so check that out if that's what you need. Now, like I mentioned earlier, you've got a 65-watt charger which comes inside the box. But apart from that, in this slim body, you've got a 4500 milliamp battery, which will easily give you a whole day's usage minimum. Now, last but not least are these cameras. On the back of this phone, you've got a quad camera system where you've got a 50 megapixel wide, a 16 megapixel ultra wide, a 13 megapixel telephoto, and a 2 megapixel macro. But that's not all. On the top left corner, you've got a 32 megapixel front camera for those amazing selfies. Now, if you're looking to get the Oppo Reno 5 Pro 5G, it's available in Jumbo for dirhams 2799. There is a bunch of reasons you should consider buying it from Jumbo. First is the fact that if you buy this online right now, you can get it delivered to you in just 4 hours. Second, if you don't want that, you can do what is called the curbside collect, where you basically buy the phone online, come down to the mall, and they'll come to the parking lot and drop it off to you right at your car. Last is click and collect. Click and collect, as it says, is basically you buy it online, come to the store, and you can collect it. While buying the device, you should also look into the Jumbo Salama program, which is basically the company's extended warranty program, which would be helpful when buying the smartphone. If you like this video, don't forget to drop a little click on that like button over there. I'm Danesh, and thank you very much for watching.